I need to get out of having a 9-to-5 job as it's killing me. Quite a lot. I've learned a bit stuck on what to do next, and coming here has just I've figured out how to get on to the next part of getting my stuff onto Amazon, and learning that I need to do a bit more research, and then I can start launching my product. Yes, I would recommend it because it's good, and yes, we've got a lot of information out of this with Alex and Peter and all the other speakers. It all fits into place once you've looked at the videos. Even though I'm only halfway through the videos, it still makes sense, so it's good.